So this quote, faith is learned when it is woven seamlessly into the fabric of daily life. This is kind of my, what do I want to call it? Signature quote. This is the heart around which all of my books are built. It's kind of become, as careers go and as the spirit unfolds our life, it's become sort of a career path for me. I really learned this in seminary. Shout out to Kenda Dean, who was a professor of mine at Princeton Theological Seminary, who didn't say it in exactly this way, but really formed me to know and believe that faith is learned through practice. This is something that I wanted to impart into my own children, and it's something that I have a real passion for helping those who lead children, youth, and families into doing. So that is the heart of how I approach everything, and that's the heart of this talk today.